Pragya is also joining us on the broadcast. Pragya, while Nitin Nabin has big shoes to fill, he has now taken over a post that was earlier occupied by the likes of Rajnath Singh, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, LK Advani, JP Nadda in the recent times. Amit Shah himself has been the president of the BJP. When it comes to his leadership skills, as a 45-year-old who has been a 5-time MLA, he has had responsibilities that he has taken over at state levels. But now when he gets elevated to the national level, one aspect that has been spoken about a lot when it comes to his working strategy is Samanvay. Tell us more about how that has worked for him and what are going to be the next big challenges ahead for Nitin Nabin, even as he takes over as the working president of the BJP.
Well, you are absolutely right. The coordination that he had done during elections, during the organizational duty, has been recognized by everyone. But if you could just say, there are many leaders here, also the party office bearers who are in queue here. They would want to congratulate Mr. Nitin Nabin, but there are a few people who have already worked with him and can throw some light on this kind of coordination that he did. Mr. Sanjay Jaiswal, who is also a former BJP state president, sir, if you could just tell us about the kind of Samanvay he did while in his organizational duty, Mr. Nitin Nabin, and the coordination. Is his strength? You had worked with him.
We have worked with him since last 17 years and he has always been very cordial. He has always been working at different level, helping the workers and helping how to win election. It's the Chhattisgarh election and Bihar election which has given them that.
So there you have it, and you have also the visual where Mr. Nitin Nabin is present. And in fact, if you could just see, Mr. Tarun Chugh is there, National General Secretary, along with Mr. Nitin Nabin, and the senior leaders of Bihar and senior leaders of the party have come here to greet Mr. Nitin Nabin, to congratulate him on his new role. These are the visuals that we are giving you live from BJP National Headquarters. Mr. Sanjay Jaiswal is there giving bouquet to Mr. Nitin Nabin, wishing him well. And in fact, there is also Mr. Brajmohan Agrawal, MP from Chhattisgarh, then Rajiv Babbar, Delhi BJP leader. Then there are also some national spokespersons and also the office bearers of the party who had come to greet him. And this is also a sense, this is also a sense that you come from a party, you come from an organization. The first thing that you will do is go to the party headquarters and meet the office bearers, meet the people who are, going to be around you, who are very crucial, who had worked with you.
Yes, Pragya, stay on with me because Mohit has managed to get another guest. Remember, the entire BJP top brass has descended to congratulate Nitin Nabin. Over to you, Mohit.
Recently asked the minister in the Bihar cabinet, sir, एक बड़ा दिन आज, अब आपसे बिहार में ही मिले थे, आपने बताया था किस प्रकार से इस बार जो है भारतीय जनता पार्टी को एक बड़ी विक्ट्री मिलेगी, जो मिली कहीं ना कहीं एक बिहार की जनता के लिए भी बड़ी चीज है। पहली बात ये, दूसरी बात ये दिलीप जी की एक हिस्टोरिकल शिफ्ट है। 45 साल नितिन नवीन की उम्र है, जिनको एक वर्किंग प्रेसिडेंट बनाया गया है, हालांकि उन पे एक्सपीरियंस है ग्राउंड पे काम करने का। कैसे देखते हैं सर पूरी इस चीज?
भारतीय जनता पार्टी का उम्र भी 45 साल है। 1980 में बीजेपी और हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष भी 45 साल के। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक कार्यकर्ता को, साधारण कार्यकर्ता को आज राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष का कुर्सी दिया है। और प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी कहते भी हैं कि इस देश के अंदर 4 वर्ग में उन्होंने देश को बांटा है, महिला, युवा, किसान और गरीब। तो हमारे महिला जो हैं इस देश के राष्ट्रपति हैं, किसान हमारे इस देश के उपराष्ट्रपति हैं, गरीब इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं और युवा भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष हैं। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने युवा के हाथ में कमान सौंपा है। एक साधारण कार्यकर्ता भी इस शीर्षस्थ पद पर आ सकते हैं। ये मैसेज हम लोगों ने।
दिलीप जी, एक चीज और जानना चाहेंगे, एक चीज और जानना चाहेंगे कि आपने उनके साथ ग्राउंड पे बहुत काम किया है बिहार में, कैसा समन्वय था, कैसा कोऑर्डिनेशन था, क्या कहेंगे, क्या उनकी लीडरशिप के बारे में कुछ बताइए सर।
बहुत ही अच्छा, एक साधारण कार्यकर्ता के रूप में उन्होंने युवा मोर्चा से अपने कैरियर को शुरुआत किया और युवा मोर्चा के बाद उन्होंने राष्ट्रीय महामंत्री युवा मोर्चा में रहे और वहां से फिर सिक्किम के प्रभारी रहे, छत्तीसगढ़ के प्रभारी रहे। तो संगठन के काफी कम अनुभव में काफी जानकारी इनको प्राप्त है।
So there you heard Dilip Jaiswal, state president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, somebody who has worked with Nitin Nabin for a long time, says that this is an historical shift. Nitin Nabin is 45 years of age, and he made a point over there that BJP is also 45 years old. BJP was formed out of Jansangh in 1980, and perhaps that is why this is something which is very historic. And he also goes on to say that Nitin Nabin is somebody who has always been low profile, but he has worked for the organization, and BJP is about the organization. You have to put forward the organization first, and perhaps that is why such a big decision is being taken, that a man who has discharged his duties when it comes to state elections, he was made in charge of, co-in charge of, and also in these Bihar elections, he was there on the ground. Now, Priya, I was there in Bihar, and I spoke to him. He said that he's working on the ground, he's coordinating with the district president, he was coordinating with the Jivika Didis, he was coordinating with the people every time in the election. So that is what the organization is all about. When you enter the Bharatiya Janata Party's office, you are not a minister. You are not even the Prime Minister has said that whenever I enter Bharatiya Janata Party office, I am a Karyakarta. And perhaps that is why the message is that a Karyakarta, a worker who works on the ground for the party to strengthening the party, will get it due in due course of time. And perhaps that is why that is the big takeaway. And every single leader is speaking about it. Back to you.
Right. Pragya, another question that has been on many people's minds is that Nitin Nabin only is the second person to take over as the working president of the BJP, and this change has also been long time due. What has been the thought process behind nominating him as a working president and not as the president? Pragya? We'll try and get in touch with our correspondents there, but you can see the visuals playing out on your screens. Nitin Nabin getting a grand welcome at BJP headquarters. Right. Pragya, I was asking you about the strategy of the BJP behind nominating Nitin Nabin as a working president, not as the president.
Well, the idea also is, despite the age, he has a very strong administrative acumen. But having said that, there are very important elections that are coming around the year. And in fact, Bengal and Assam are the two elections, and also the Kerala election are in the same year. But having said that, there is also a sense that Mr. Nadda was also made working president. This is a trend that was started during Mr. Nadda's time, but it also will give some kind of space to Mr. Nitin Nabin to meet everyone, to do pravas in every state, and in fact he will he will do the acquaintance with all the state leaders, and he will also understand the workings and also the people of other states as well. So being national working president will also give him ample time to look at the organization state-wise. This is a very crucial, time that Mr. Nitin Nabin has to understand what is going on in those state units and how can BJP do better in those states. So this time is going to be utilized by Mr. Nitin Nabin to ensure that the organization, he understand it well in every state, and in fact not just that, he will also be working alongside Mr. Nadda and also understanding the nitty-gritties that comes and the challenges that comes with this particular post. Remember, it's a very
नितिन नबीन जी के मजबूत कंधों पर भारतीय जनता पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष का दायित्व देकर युवाओं को यह संदेश दिया है कि युवा भारत का राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष भारतीय जनता पार्टी का युवा है। और बिहार चुनाव की आपने चर्चा की, बिहार चुनाव की जीत में माननीय नितिन नबीन जी की अहम भूमिका रही।
सर एक आखिरी सवाल नितिन जी, एक चीज जानना चाहेंगे, अगर समन्वय की बात करें नितिन जी, तो संगठन और उनका समन्वय कैसा है? यू सी नितिन सर, संगठन का समन्वय कैसा है उनके साथ? सर ये
आप बिल्कुल जमीन से जुड़े हुए हमारे माननीय नितिन नबीन जी हैं, संगठन का भी अनुभव है, सरकार का भी अनुभव है, और बिल्कुल सरल स्वभाव के लेकिन परिश्रम की प्रकाष्ठा करने वाले हमारे माननीय नितिन नबीन।
So there you heard Nitin and Rai speaking about that, how it's an historical decision that is being taken, because you see, we have a huge population of youth in our country. Now, to connect to them, you need to have a leader who understands their problem, who can relate with them, and who youth can also relate with. And perhaps that is why this is very important, that somebody who is a young person who can connect with Gen Zs in due course of time, he is being appointed as the working president of the Bharatiya Janata Party.